Hello, welcome to the studio. Today we're doing a little haul. I got a few things from Shein and I've taken the plastic off of them already because I hate that scratchy sound of plastic in video. So I took all of that off and we'll just have a look at everything that's here. So I got these tickets. I'm gonna need a blade actually to take off the rest of the plastic. Yeah, I took off most of the plastic bags and stuff, the big ones, and we'll just take off the kind of cellophane. I will link what I can in the description, but you know the way Shein works, everything is just, you know, they don't have long listings, so if it still exists, I will put it down in the description. It's just the casing for these. I love that one is like a acetate. Yeah, I love the way they're tied with the twine. These are beautiful. They'd be so good for an autumn or a woodland kit or journal. Yeah, fabulous. All blank on the back then. Very pretty. I like how there's some writing on them. Like it says the carte postale. Probably not pronouncing that right, but yeah. Lovely. Oh, there's a very Easter. Not a fan of Easter. Yeah, gorgeous. Love that. Very happy with that. Good quality as well. Strong paper, but not as thick as card. Then I got these little packet of frame stickers. So these have the clear sticker paper instead of white. I prefer this because the white ones, like the washi ones, they can be quite faded looking. But my issue with these is that they're quite shiny and that can look a little bit strange in a journal spread. But it is totally workable. You can also like cut in around it as well to get rid of all that extra bit if you wanted to. But yeah, these are quite pretty. Good few sizes. So there'll be a few things you can do with this, with these. Oops. Yeah, looking forward to using these. Next then I have some stencils for inks. I might use them with polyfiller as well or gesso, but I would normally use these kind of ones with ink and a brush. There's that one. There's 4 of them in this packet. Yeah. Very versatile designs. There's a few different types of spreads that you could do with these. I usually use, I didn't get this today, but this is the type of brush I would normally use with these. So I would dip this in the ink pad and then just go around like that. And sometimes then I would use a palette knife and gesso or polyfiller. So we may as well look at this little box next. Oh, lovely. Yeah, I'm obsessed with little tiny labels. I think they just add such nice finishing touches to a journal spread. Loads of lovely designs in this. Oh, flowers and just a vintage style without being actual vintage stamps. So it just gives the aesthetic. Yeah, lovely designs included in this. Some more mushrooms for a woodland spread for a journal. Very nice. Very happy with those. Next then I have 3 boxes of washi tapes. Well, I love washi. So let's start with this one. Oh yeah, really nice collection of tapes. I love tapes with writing. That's my favorite design. Another way to add just nice little finishing touches without putting too much more detail into a page. This one is interesting. Oh. Yeah, not sure about this row, but I love the writing and the music. That one is great. Oh yeah, this is fabulous as well. Another way to decorate the edges of papers. Oh, there's something weird on this one. It's like a bit of dirt on that. It was like paper fluff or something. Oh, look at this one. This I really like. And this one, I really like this one. Another very nice one. Very cool. This would be good in a steampunk journal. Loads of little skinny ones. Ah, art museum. Very nice. Yeah, very happy with that box. Really nice tapes in it. The only one I'm not sure if it's that one, but you know, one out of a box like that is very acceptable. Oh, so pretty. Oh, look at this. Love that. Really love that one specifically. Oh, this postage one. This is such a versatile tape. You'd get so many uses out of this one. This one. I'm not sure about this one. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one. Like, it's nice and I will definitely get use out of it, but not my favorite. But every other tape in this is very good. I love these ones that are like cut off, like they cut a page off. I love adding them to the edges of pages in a journal. Yeah, really nice range of washies in that box. Oh, excellent. Those two are very similar. It's like they use the one sheet of paper to create these two. But I like this like distressed edging of paper on it. It's cool. It's an interesting idea for a tape. I'm not sure this guy really goes with these things. They're not from the same time period, but you'd be able to cut them off like individually so they'd still work. And some tickets. Perfect. Some newspaper. Oh, I love this one. Yeah, this one is fabulous. Yeah. Very nice washies in that box as well. Not my favorite of the three, but definitely very useful set of washi tapes there. And now we have some larger rolls of washi. So let's take the plastic off these and have a quick look at them. I love the way you get this little circle of the tape on the top. I often use those in my journals as well. That is really annoying. The masking tape that they have used to seal it is sticking to some of the stickers. I'm just going to lose these ones, the ones at the start of the roll. Okay, and I saved some there, but this is what this one is like. So it's like a roll of washi stickers. Really happy with this, except for the masking tape sticking to it. But I love how they're arranged and they come off quite easily off of the roll of plastic. And there's really nice choice of stickers here before it repeats. Now, next one. I try wind it a small bit to show you the pattern. Hopefully I won't tear it. Oh, it's one of these ones, so it has backing on it. Very cool, kind of gothic images on it, but with a brown coloring instead of black. Quite like it. Yeah, some writing. It's unusual to see English typed like this on washi tapes and stuff. It's usually a bit fancier, or it's not in English. Okay, this one has backing again. So it's all John Keats quotes. I would have liked a bit of a fancier font. Like it has the every other word in a fancy font. Like it has every other word in a fancy font, but I would rather this type to be something else. And like they could still do the every other word, but just I don't like this so much. But I'll still use it, of course. This one doesn't have a backing on it, so I was starting to tear it, so we'll just have a look at it this way. You get a good idea of what this roll is like. And then the last one, here is this one. Nice set of labels. Yeah, really happy with this one. I love how easily they come off the plastic on this. It's just so convenient. And then you'd have this roll of clear plastic to do other stuff with. So yeah, very happy with these. Very happy with everything that I got. Almost forgot this one. So this is just a collection of papers, and you can never have too many papers. They're all small, about 6x4 size, about the size of a postcard, and it's kind of a thin paper, not too strong, but perfect for collaging. One of my favorite things to do. So a nice range of vintage images on these. Yeah, these are great. They will fill in any gaps, or you could use them to make tags or envelopes or whatever you want. You could do loads of things with these. These are great for tickets and stuff like that as well. So yeah, loads of uses for this. It's perfect. So that is everything that I got in this shop from Shein. I will link what I can below, but you know, Shein isn't exactly exact with these kind of things. So if they're still available, I will link to them. But I'm sure you can find these things just by searching what they're called, like search washi tapes and stuff like that in Shein, and you'll find, if not these things, you'll find similar things. So thank you so much for joining me today. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next one.